Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Please amend the text in line 20 in the quotation marks to match the file path, which contains the word files as it is currently set at C /USERS /ANONYMOUS /DOCUMENTS /TEMP and please include a / at the end after where it says temp /. What it does, the code will find all our TF documents saved down in the file path stated and will then convert the file into a series of JPEG images, with each image representing one page, so it will be test file page 1, test file page 2, etc. whilst retaining the names of the respective files, before it says page 1, page 2, etc. You must have an Adobe license and Office 365 on your computer in order for this code to work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.